You couldn't wait. You're a fucking knobhead. Wanker. What's up? Get out then. Get out. Get out then. What's your fucking problem?
Sorry man, I don't know what I did, I just wondered.
You come out, you see me coming and you just pulled out.
Oh, sorry, I was trying to look at the back as well, you know where I was coming around.
Oh, but just look, dude, yeah?
Fair enough, sorry.
Oh, what the f***? Oh, this is not what I wanted right now. What's up?
Alright, get off the frickin' butt.
Yeah.
Frickin' road through my yard.
I'm sorry, I didn't know there was a yard there.
You don't know that's to my
I've
yard.
never
You
driven
don't
up
work
there.
at the back of my house.
I've never been there before.
Well,
It was
why
just a
did you
trail I
drive
saw.
this time?
Because it was a trail I saw. I just rode up it.
You just drive around people's backyards?
I didn't know it was reading to someone's backyard.
You know where you live, you've done this before, you rode down the frickin' linear trail all the time.
Lehigh Valley?
What's that?
Lehigh Valley Trail?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I won't go through your yard again.
You've ridden down there, you're just rolling through somebody else's yard.
Okay, I won't do it again. I'm leaving. I don't know what you want.
I already called the cops, so you better get out of here pretty quick, buddy.
Alright. Faggot called the cops. Alright, so that guy called the cops. Let's get the f out of here.
What the f are you doing? Are you f serious? That's a double yellow. What the f are you doing? F you. Whoa, what the f? What the f?
Right. Downhill, wheel. Here we go.
Oh, f me.
Oh, fuck. Oh, dude, you okay? Where are you? Oh,
Oh.
dude.
We don't own them.
You gotta have a license.
We don't own them, sir.
I know, you got a camera on your helmet.
Sir, this...
Is that licensed?
No,
to
it's
drive on this
not.
road? Are you licensed to drive that on this road?
No,
Then
we
why
are not.
are you?
Because
Because why?
it's
You
fun,
cannot
sir.
drive on the street.
Sir, it's every once in a while.
It's not ever.
How-
It's illegal.
Are we hurting you?
It's bothering me. It took me out of my office. I heard you drive by. The fact is, it's illegal. I don't approve of it. You know? You don't ride on the street unless you have a license and a bike is licensed. That's the law. I didn't make them. I don't make the laws. I don't even enforce them. But
You're
goddamn
enforcing
it,
them
you
right
got
now.
to.
You're enforcing them right now.
I am not. I can't stop you.
Then you just did.
I'm yelling at you for doing it.
You just stopped us.
No.
Do you realize that? Would you like me to go get my dad and talk to you?
I wish you'd bring him here.
I will bring him here.
Where
I
does
know
he live?
exactly where you live.
Where does he live?
Down there,
Bring him
Wisteria
here.
Grove.
Bring him right here.
I'll bring him right here
Call
for
him.
you.
Call him. What's his phone number?
I'll give him to you. No, I'm not calling him off of your phone.
Call him. Get him down here. I gotta hear his excuse.
Alright, it's not an excuse.
For driving on the street without a license. I can't prevent you. That's the cop's job. I can yell at you for doing it in front of my house. It's just not legal. You got places. Look at you got dirt all over your bikes. Why don't you ride them in dirt fields?
That's where we were.
What do you, this is not where you are now. Look at you got another kid driving a bike here.
Yeah, we do.
Your chain broke here. It just broke down the field.
That's why we came here!
You cannot drive a bike there.
Hey, Dad. Mr. DeVito, stopped us, and,
Chain
cause,
stopped you.
we-
I'm yelling at you because you stopped in front of my house. It gives me an opportunity. Bring him on down.
okay, so, wait, are you at MCC right now?
No, I'm at the house.
Oh, okay? Because
I'm waiting for him.
let me talk to him. Please be quiet. So we wouldn't have came through the neighborhood if David's chain didn't break.
That makes no sense.
And
The chain broke right there. I watched it break when it broke.
we fixed it. We're at 43. All right, thank you.
You're not doing anything. You have no right to drive on the road.
We've been pushing it for a half an hour.
Care.
Okay, well then
It's,
he's
not,
not
it's
care,
up
then
to
why are
the
you
police
yelling at
officer
us?
to do it. You happen to stop in front of my house. That's unfortunate for you guys. If you stopped anywhere else, you kept on doing it.
I'm just saying, like, we understand that, like...
It bothers people who pay taxes in a house like this, in this neighborhood, not to have this shit go on.
This is the first time.
No, it's not. I
There's
have seen
other
you guys
people
drive
too
on the
that
street.
drive their shit down here.
You know what? If I could catch them, I would.
And why
Then
don't
do
you?
it.
I've called
Then
the
catch
cops.
them.
I have called the cops and that kid down from cul-de-sac about a dozen times. And they go down there every time and he keeps repeating. That's not my problem. Like I said, I can't stop you.
You
Your
just
chain
did.
broke, that's why you stopped. If
You
you'd have went
just
by,
did.
I'd have been stuck.
Sorry,
They're not meant to drive on the street. Drive on dirt. Farm,
We did.
not here.
We were walking them for a half an hour. We are tired.
I don't know what the hell is your problem, but stop yelling at us. Seriously.
Stop taking pictures of us. He's being a dick. He is yelling at us, saying so much shit. I'm going down to see this shit.
We're putting stuff on YouTube.
You started yelling at us. You were the first one.
Dad! I tried to cooperate with him. He is mean. Now here are the police. Now the police are here.
What you need to do is take your bikes, don't come by.
Yeah, no, the only reason why we came by here, David's chain broke. We were been walking it for a half an hour. We thought we would give it a chance, riding them back up.
Yeah. All right.
This has been the first time in forever.
Yeah.
Hello, officer. Good.
Yeah. Change what happened to break in front of my house. That's why I called. You guys really
78 Chadwick Manor, 75 Chadwick Manor. He lives somewhere on Whitney Road.
We're sorry for the we're sorry for calling you out of doing more important things.
Yeah, no. Where do you guys normally ride?
Just right in these trees right here, that's where we were.
And Hogback Hill in Palmyra. It's a local track.
The only reason why we were coming up the street, we were going extremely
It
slow.
broke, yeah.
The chain had
We've been walking in for a half an hour.
In the woods.
We got
we
the
pulled-
tools.
Yeah. The tools are
Put
in that
on.
bag right
Like,
there if you want
we
to see them.
used it back on. Like there was a complete.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
When it's your life, you won't be dapping.
She said when it's your life, you won't be dapping.
Again,
Because we pounded it?
and I'll have your license plate.
Because we pounded it? Oh.
Allora devi dire scusa! Devi dire scusa, deficiente! Oh, ma che sei scemo sei? Vattene a fanculo, va! Pezzo di merda!
asked you not to come back here. They're riding in the back. There's no motorized vehicle supposed to be back here. There's 2 of them. You know what? I'll just call the police because you're not supposed to have motorized vehicles back here, right? Okay, thank you. Do you not speak either? I don't like being mean. I don't know why you did this to me. I asked you so nicely. It's not an emergency, but I was told to call this number. It's motorized vehicles in the back. In the woods. No, you can't go anywhere. You can run over me. It's on Powell Road. Hello? Hello?
We're not deaf! My wrist is broken. Yeah. It's life, man.
Lunatic, goddamn, I'm a lunatic.